Hi everyone, this is Darcy and today I'm going to give you a full real-time tutorial with the NIRA laser for your whole eye area, including the under eye as well as the eye hoods. This is a highly requested video, so if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. My channel is all about aging gracefully, being healthy, and being happy. So if you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe and give me a like if this is helpful to you because it really helps my channel. So now let's get to it. The NIRA laser is a non-fractional laser that's FDA cleared for the eye area. I actually have two other videos on the NIRA laser and one shows my 30-day results. So if you want even more information about the NIRA laser, make sure you watch those videos and I'll leave the links on the description box below because on this video, I want to focus on doing the full tutorial. Make sure you do it on a fully cleansed face, free of any makeup or any oils. You do your skincare after the NIRA laser, not before. That is very, very important. And I'm going to use on level 1. NIRA laser can go all the way to level 5, but honestly, I have never done the level 5. I often start with level 1 and sometimes I go to level 2, but I got amazing results even with level 1. So don't feel like you have to go super high levels to see results. Start slowly and build your way up if needed. Follow your own comfort level. NIRA is one of the few devices that you can actually go pretty close to your eye, but always make sure that when you're close to the eye to stay within the fleshy area and be really careful. Sometimes it's helpful to look up like this when you're doing this area. Now let's do the tutorial. You press the power button here to reach all the levels, and if you press again, it go back to power 1. This is the button that you press, the top button, when you want to fire the laser. The NIRA laser is a pretty safe device. It has a lot of safety features, so you have to make sure to be completely flush to the skin in order to work. Otherwise, even if you press the button, it will still misfire, which I'll show on this tutorial. See, that sound means you actually did not fire because it wasn't flush to the skin, so make sure you flush the skin. So hold it in the area, and this area I like to look up and then go. Then I go under. And it's okay to overlap. That's a misfire, so whenever you hear the noise, you have to do it again. Then I go under here. You can roll your face like that to kind of stretch the area. Okay. I usually have wrinkles that goes a little more down my cheeks, so I don't go the whole area, just kind of stay on those wrinkles. So as you can see, I just kind of do my own thing because I only have a little bit of here, but I don't have them all the way. So that's what I do with the under eye. As you can see, I just follow the area that I need. You can do a couple more shots on the crow's feet area here, and that is the sound when you actually have accomplished 40. But as you can see, I'm not really counting. I just kind of go and treat the areas that I'm more concerned. That's it. So when you feel like you covered the whole area, you go to the top of the eye. And on the top of the eye, I like to start right in that corner here. And I like to lift a little bit, like that means it's a misfire, so you have to do it again. Make sure it's flush to the area. And it's helpful to pull your eyebrow a little bit. I usually look like doing this in the bathroom. You see I'm doing 3. Oh, that missed it. Make sure it's flush to the bone here. So not on your eyelids. Make sure you do not do it here. You're not supposed to do on this eyeball, on your eyeball. Always make sure you flush to the bone. But I find that even though you're treating the top lid, I find that it does show, especially if you do it like this. See what I'm doing? I'm kind of putting the skin a little more up. it works. And here's a little tricky. You just kind of have to go underneath here. I find a little hard to go all the way in, but you kind of have to be careful. Kind of follow the nose bone a little bit when you're doing that. And that's it for the one eye. Now I'm going to do the other eye. The under eye area, I find it easy to do in my bathroom. And again, I'm not treating my under eye right now with the NIRA, but in the past, I like my mirror in the bathroom better than this one. This one is great for the top area. So I'm a little clumsy for the under eye, but as you guys saw, that's how you do the treatment. I'm going to do it again on the other side. And as you guys can see, I'm not really counting. So make sure it's flush to the skin. Now I'm doing the second. Oh, that makes 40 already. So then I'm doing the second row now. Sometimes it's good looking up because it kind of stretches the skin. But if you're doing it in the bathroom mirror, because I'm doing it on camera. Now I'm on the third row now. And then I go back and I kind of work on the crow's feet only, because my crow's feet go all the way to the side. And now I just have a few wrinkles here on my cheek area, so I just kind of go on top of them. So I don't do the whole cheek, area. I just go into the wrinkles that I have. They are bleeding more into my cheeks. And now I'm going to do the top eye, which I divide in 3 parts here, like that. But as I mentioned, depending on your eye size and hood size, you may do 2 or 3. And it's good to, like, as if you're doing mascara. And again, make sure it's flush to this bone here, not on the eye area, not on the lid itself. But it has helped, guys, especially if you see my other videos. See, sometimes here I only do 2 because it's kind of hard to get into this area here. And that's it. See, I didn't do 40 per se, like I wasn't really counting, especially since I only have a few wrinkles that bleed into my cheeks, and I do a little more to the side when I was treating it, and I include the hood. So that is the full treatment that I do with my NIRA. And then now it's so important to follow with your serum and an eye cream. I'm going to actually use today the Advanced Snail 96 Power Essence COS RX. This is amazing. It has snail mucus, I think. It's so hydrating, guys. So good. So very, very important to hydrate the area. But you see I'm not red. I don't have any redness. You should not have any redness or any pain. It does feel heat and you feel like a little bite when you're doing it for the first time. So make sure, see how I'm hydrating even the hoods as well. Make sure it's fully hydrated. I like this one. It's almost like a treatment because it's so hydrating, as you guys can see. So hydrating. So then you just let it absorb and then follow with your regular skincare routine, your face creams, your eye creams. This is a face cream. This is the Triple Deep Erasing Cream from Medicube. This is really good, and you can actually bring this all the way to the eye area as well, even on the eyelids, and it's super hydrating. But I also love the Medicube eye cream. I just ran out of it, and I've been using this on my whole eye area. You have to hydrate the area. And that's how you're going to get the best results, guys. But you truly can use any of your regular skincare, but I would suggest to use for sure an eye serum or an essence before to get your skin even more hydrated. And whenever you have a chance, do eye masks or masking to get the area even more hydrated while you're waiting for the collagen to build, because it will take at least 90 days for the collagen to build, and you see a lot more improvement. So in the meantime, hydrating the area will be the best thing you can do. And if you want to learn how to combine the NIRA with other devices, make sure to check out the videos on the description box below. But just the NIRA itself will give you results, so definitely stick with it and you will also get results. But be patient and follow the tips that I gave on this video and you will be so happy with your results. If you're interested on the NIRA laser, I do have a coupon code and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links. They'll help you save some money and also really help support my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!